Good morning. Today's day 2 of the ultimate summer trip. Right now, we're getting ready to go. And I'll see you in the car. Alright, what's up guys? We're in the car right now. Our next destination is the Black Hills in South Dakota. Yep, that's where Mount Rushmore is. So it'll be pretty cool. Kitties are ready. They're chilling. Mom's all ready. She even got her music on. So we're gonna be driving for 4.5 hours, and yeah, we're actually gonna go past somewhere called Lake McConaughey. If you don't know what it is, it's the biggest lake in Nebraska. So yeah, I bet that'll look cool. I've been living in Nebraska, I never knew there's this much forestry here. Look at this.
Look at that brick over there.
I thought Nebraska was a flat wasteland inhabited by corn. I didn't know it had this much trees. Look at this side view over here.
There's a lot of trees in Lincoln.
Not that much though, it's mostly flat. So we're at a gas station right now, just waiting for Mom to be done there. I already went there taking shifts so the cats don't get left alone. And yeah, so we're about halfway there, about an hour and 40 minutes I think away from our destination in South Dakota. Our campsite. Oh yeah, speaking of campsite, yeah, these guys are gonna make it very challenging now that we're camping and we have cats, because we're gonna have to bring them everywhere. I mean, we might leave them for like a couple hours in the evening, like when it's not that hot, and like, yeah, but most of the other times we have to bring them. Like, probably like 95% of the time, these guys are coming with us. And that's going to be kind of challenging. Well, not really for South Dakota, but in the coming days, it'll probably be challenging and, like, limit the stuff that we can actually do. So, yeah, that's all I got to say. So, back to the road.
Okay.
So, we just stopped by somewhere and,
Oh, we did.
yeah,
Go.
Next thing you know, we're on a mountain coaster.
My driver!
Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah, by the way, I should probably show you the front view.
Where's your camera when we go down the Go up? I have to do it myself?
No, it's gonna bring you up itself.
No worries. What's it?
It's gonna go up the hill.
Are they gonna bring? Woo! I don't like it.
Hi, Mom.
Nathan, I can't see.
Oh, sorry, Mom. Oh, no. Oh, wait, I should probably...
Should I stop now?
No, not yet. Pretty soon, though. Oh, shoot. If I drop this, I'm cooked. I'm dead. If I drop it. Oh, we're gonna do the whee! Whee! Woo! Woo! This is fun.
Oh, no! It's not.
Alright guys, just got back from Rushmore Cave. That's what it's called Rush Mountain, but it also has Rush. Alright, anyways. There's mom here. She's yelling, like, a lot.
Yeah, duh.
Yeah, she's just scared of roller coasters. I mean,
Beauty, oh.
yeah. We left the cats like at the front desk. They watched them. That was nice. So yeah, we're gonna set camp and maybe go to Mount Rushmore later.
There.
Alright guys, we just arrived at our campsite. Looks pretty nice over here. Probably gonna set up our tent like right over there maybe. And also there's a big rock up there. Looks like it'd be nice to climb that. And then there's also a park over here you can play around. Overall, very nice area. So we're done with the tent now. I didn't record anything because like it was pretty hard. So we're like focused on actually getting this installed.
Yeah, to call him out in different names.
Yeah, definitely. Like,
You should probably video that one, the one that you got blew up by the tent. Ha ha.
oh yeah, this thing got blowed over like one time. And then it got blowed like there's like a bunch of dust who got brought in it with it too. So yeah. We got the cats over here just watching.
It's been a symbol. You have to show that your flooring is a symbol now.
Oh yeah. We're assembling our floor
You have carpets.
so the cats don't scratch anything.
Red carpets.
Yep. Yeah. So that's what we gotta do when traveling with cats and camping with them. Right, guys? Yeah, she agrees. Alright, so, guess see you later.
Alright, anak.
So we're in the tent now. Just got done eating. There's mom over there. She's also just chilling. Cats are like all over the tent. But yeah. I mean, not after working hard. I mean, I'm thinking of checking the park, but like, yeah, I'm probably gonna check the park. So, see you there. So this is the park. That's our campsite right there. I only have to walk like a few feet. So yeah, I'm gonna just like play around here.
Noche caliente, siente el ritmo ya. Baila sin parar, DJ sin final. Esta noche es total. Noche caliente, luces brillando, tus ojos dicen, vamos bailando. Dime la gente, luces brillando, tus ojos dicen, vamos bailando. Dime fuego en el alma, quiere conmigo, pierde la calma.
Dang, I just hit my head on that bar. Yeah, I think I'm done for the park. I'm done with the park for now. I'm setting my sights on that rock now. See that? Yeah, I'm climbing that thing. See you when I make it. I made it. I'm on top of the rock. Whew. I would climb all the way there, but that's too far. Now I gotta get back down safely. Because look at this. Okay. Pretty high, isn't it? Whew. I feel like I just hiked up like one of the tallest peaks in the world. even though it's not really what I did, but still. At least it feels like it. Anyway, I'm going back to the campsite, which is literally like right over there. I'm back at the campsite now. Just gonna chill here for a little bit, and then we're gonna go somewhere soon. Somewhere is Mount Rushmore. So, see you there. So, we're going to Mount Rushmore right now. There's Mom.
Hello.
Of course, we have to bring the cats with us. Can't leave them in the tent. So, yeah, see you there.
Pay attention.
So, actually, we decided to stop at somewhere called Keystone, South Dakota. It's a pretty nice little town.
It is very nice.
Yep, a lot of shops here, so we're just gonna like walk around and like go to Mount Rushmore later.
What's the best?
Just got done with walking around in Keystone. We're gonna fill up gas over here, and then we're gonna actually get to Mount Rushmore this time. So, yeah. Look where we are at Mount Rushmore. Looks pretty cool. Looks way better than expected. And then there's also this guy. Can y'all please tell me who this guy is? I know it says his name down here, but like what do you do or something? I do not know who this guy is. Anyways. So back at the camp now. Just got back from Mount Rushmore. It was pretty cool seeing all the carvings and stuff. Everyone's back here chilling. Kitties. Yep, so guess we'll end the video right here since we're not gonna really do much. We're just gonna chill and yeah, you can chill back at the camp. So I guess see you tomorrow. So just got back from Mount Rushmore and we just set up our beds now. Look pretty cozy. It was Mount Rushmore was pretty enjoyable. There you got this, like the faces and stuff. Yeah. Mom enjoyed it, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so
Enjoy it.
guess I'll see you when I'm in bed now. Alright guys, I'm in bed now. It's about 8 p.m. Probably not gonna sleep yet, but still, it's pretty much the end of the day. So, see you guys tomorrow. Please subscribe, it'll really help me. And, yeah, see you tomorrow.